Welcome to this in-depth guide on the Armory Bitcoin wallet. Armory is renowned for its exceptional security and advanced features, making it a top choice for Bitcoin users who prioritize safety and flexibility. In this tutorial, we'll take a comprehensive look at how to set up, secure, and utilize this powerful tool to manage your cryptocurrency effectively. To get started, visit the official Armory website and download the software compatible with your operating system. After installation, launch Armory and follow the on-screen prompts to create your wallet. Be sure to choose a strong password and back it up securely. You'll also generate a recovery seed. Write this down on paper and store it in a safe place. This is crucial for accessing your funds if you ever lose your wallet. One of Armory's standout features is its cold storage capability. Cold storage keeps your Bitcoin offline, protecting it from hackers. To set up a cold storage wallet, follow Armory's step-by-step instructions and ensure your private keys never touch an internet-connected device. This method is ideal for long-term holders who want maximum security. Managing your Bitcoin is straightforward with Armory. You can send and receive funds with ease, and the interface provides detailed transaction histories. For additional security, Armory allows multi-signature transactions, enabling you to require multiple approvals before funds are spent. This is perfect for businesses or anyone looking for added layers of protection. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Back in Armory, you'll find advanced features like the ability to run a full Bitcoin node for heightened privacy and security. This ensures you're fully independent when verifying transactions. Additionally, Armory's customizable settings let you tailor the wallet experience to your specific needs. For peace of mind, take advantage of Armory's encrypted backups. These can be saved locally or on external drives, ensuring your Bitcoin is safe even if your primary device fails. Regularly updating your Armory software is another essential practice to keep your wallet protected from potential vulnerabilities. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more crypto guides and wallet tutorials. Make your Bitcoin journey secure and straightforward with Armory.